In this video, we will show you how to use the Workspace feature in OfficeIQ Studio to create your website. On the left hand side of OfficeIQ Studio's dashboard, you will see the Workspace option. Click on it. Here, you will see all the workspaces that you have created. If you have not made one yet, you will see a default workspace that you can customize. So now let's create a new one. You can click on this plus icon. Enter your workspace name. I will name it OfficeIQ. Now choose a color. You can also add a short description. It's totally optional. Then click on create and done. Your new workspace is ready. Let's train it with some data. I am creating a website for OfficeIQ. So first I will upload the homepage content. Click on upload files and select your document. Once uploaded, you will see the file under training status. It will take just a few seconds and done, it's trained. Now let's upload files for other pages one by one. First, the About Us page. Now the Solutions for Education page. Then Features page. And finally the Pricing page. So each file gets trained in seconds. So when you build your site, it will automatically use this data for each page. That's how simple it is to create and train a workspace in OfficeIQ Studio. Now, our next step is to create a website. Click on AI Studio and you will land on the dashboard. Click on Create New Site. Choose your website type. Pick your primary color, secondary color, main font, heading font, and any additional feature like lead generation form or WhatsApp support. Here is the workspace section. By default, it shows the default workspace. Click on the drop down arrow and choose the workspace you created. I will go with OfficeIQ. Now you don't need to enter all the details in the prompt. Your trained data will be pulled from here. Click on the next step. Write your prompt and then hit enter. Now wait for a few minutes. Your website is getting generated and done. Your website is ready. Click on editor. From here you can preview your site. Here you can see the content of homepage is used from the data we trained in the workspace section. Now let's add some internal pages. Go to My Sites. Here's the site we just created. Click on View and then go to the Pages section. Click on Add New Page. Give it a name. We will create the About Us page. Now write your prompt here. Here you will see the workspace. It's already selected as OfficeIQ. Then hit enter and wait for a few minutes. Your About Us page is ready. The content you see here comes from the About Us document we have trained in the workspace section. So now you can create other internal pages the same way using the documents and data you have already trained in your workspace section. So in the next video, we will show you how to use the editor feature of OfficeIQ Studio to customize your site.